Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Boil 500 g potatoes for 15 minutes until fork tender. Drain and cool slightly before peeling. Cut potatoes into roughly 2 cm cubes so pieces cook evenly and absorb spices. Measure spices precisely. 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tsp turmeric, 1/2 tsp red chili powder, and salt to taste. Keep 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro at hand. Having everything prepped before you start frying saves time. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Add 2 tablespoon cumin seeds and let them crackle for about 20 seconds to release aroma. Add the 2 cm potato cubes, sprinkle 1 tsp turmeric, 1/2 tsp red chili powder, and salt to taste, then toss to coat. Fry gently for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes so edges brown without breaking the potatoes. Maintain medium heat so the potatoes crisp slightly while staying tender inside. When potatoes are lightly crisp and evenly golden, remove the skillet from heat and immediately add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoon chopped cilantro. Toss gently to coat so flavors meld without wilting the herbs. Taste and adjust salt or lemon. If you prefer heat, add a pinch more red chili. Serve hot as a side with rotis or rice. This batch yields about 3 to 4 servings. Cool leftovers to room temperature and refrigerate in a sealed container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.